Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. I'm so happy you guys are back. If you have not done so already, definitely subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Now in today's video, guys, this is going to be a really special and cool video. And if you haven't had a chance to take a look at some of our older videos, definitely go and check those out. We have a little bit of everything. But in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to have a statement wall or a statement room using wallpaper. Also, don't forget to check the description box if you love any of these looks. We will have a hand-curated list just for you if you want to try to do this style in your home. Lots of wallpaper patterns to choose from, and I really think you'll like it. Wallpaper is back and better than ever, depending on who you ask. Some people say it never left. When refreshing your home, there's nothing better than a new wallpaper to revive and reinvigorate your walls. The wallpaper trends coming up for 2022 offer so much scope in terms of styles, colorways, and themes. The love for wallpaper ideas has gone through varying periods of popularity over the years, but it's very much having a serious moment right now. Largely thanks to homeowners and renters becoming braver with decorating choices, our homes are bolder and more expressive. Wallpaper is a key trend for 2022, and the insatiable appetite from buyers and consumers doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon. Whatever your taste, there is something for everyone. From traditional florals that may remind you of your grandmother's home, to contemporary geometric and tropical patterns or animal motifs and architectural designs, and some looks that make you feel that you may be in the middle of a waterfall or a forest. The usage is also bolder and braver. If you have the confidence, there are endless possibilities. I love this room, how the wallpaper design is almost as an afterthought. You have the room and then you have this calm wallpaper, as opposed to this room where the wallpaper is the true star of the show. I love both. What about you? One trend that we have seen across the board and that we expect to continue are clients and customers and just general people's confidence and willingness to be more playful with design. As a result of spending more and more time at home, people are more on board with adventurous patterns, texture, and bold colors, or they like to play with scale and form. wallpaper? Groundbreaking. No, not really. Wallpaper has always been in some sort of floral pattern, but that's because they actually work. They can be adapted to suit any space or design style. A pro tip is to always consider the size of the room when making florals work in your space. The bigger the space, the bigger you can go with the bloom. Bring a hint of the natural world into any room with wallpaper disguised to look like bare wooden walls, brick, stone, or anything of the sort. People are wanting to add the warmth and depth found in natural colors and materials to their interiors to make their homes feel more comfortable. You have two options when using a bold wallpaper. You can let the wallpaper do your talking and have more subdued furniture and accessories, or you can go big or go home with the bright wallpaper with bright furniture and accessories to match. The choice is totally up to you. I don't know why, but I absolutely love this wallpaper design, especially with the plants beside it and the fur texture. But this print, this is probably one of my favorites. It's very dark and relaxing. If you don't have room for a bookshelf in your living room, what about using wallpaper made to look like a bookshelf? I think this is so awesome. So I know you're probably tired of me saying this, but this was one of my favorites as well. What about a velour feel type wallpaper? I just think that is such a great idea and an easy way to add texture to your room. So I absolutely love this pattern, guys. This is absolutely beautiful and the perfect way to tie together this room. Also, definitely comment your favorite wallpaper design usage in the comment section. I would love to know which one you felt was the most glamorous or elegant or the best usage of wallpaper in a room. Ooh, I love this one too. One of the things that I love about wallpaper is that it can take your room from bright and cheery and just full of spring and happiness to something dark and moody and perfect just to chill and relax in. So I've already asked you to comment your favorite down below, but if you want to know some of the ones that I really wanted to showcase, and they're my favorites too, it is these three right here. Mainly because, you guys, these do not look like wallpaper. You have the stone, you have books, and this is like a velour velvet type look. I just thought all three were super unique, super creative, and would be gorgeous in a room in my home. Alright guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves home decor, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. We will see you in the next video. Stay stylish, friends.